Jai Gurudev, everyone. We are here in the Bhakti Marga Instagram, starting another live stream. This is now about the Just Love Festival. And in the Just Love Festival, that you probably see here inside out, we are inviting this year one of the greatest singers of India at the moment, Maithili Thakur. So she's invited to sing in the festival, and we want to talk about it since the festival starts already on Friday. So I'm gonna now quickly invite Maithili ji here, and we will start the conversation. I'm just looking for her here quickly. Then we start. Are you guys all planning to come for the festival? Let me know. Who is coming when? It's a very important question. Maithili is not appearing here, so now let's wait a second. Okay. Good. Jai Gurudev, Namaskar, Maithili.
Jai Gurudev, Namaskar.
I need to put myself a bit louder here. I don't know where's the volume of this thing. Okay. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, very good. So let me adapt this. So we are here calling Maithili from Germany, from the ashram Shri Peter Nilay. We were just to hear about her. How is she doing? How is her preparations doing? So everybody knows we invited Maithili and the whole family to come to the Just Love Festival. We are still waiting for the visa approval. It's a long process, but we are being very positive about it, and that's why we are already having a talk, because day after tomorrow, actually, it already starts.
Yeah.
Maithili's concert is on Saturday, the other week, 29th. But so that everybody knows and everybody shares this news that you are coming, because with Guruji's Kripa, with Krishna Kripa, that visa will come also. So how are you doing? Tell me, how is your day? How is your preparations? How your family?
We're good and eagerly waiting for the visa so that we can just hop on the plane and come back to you.
That's so good. Yeah, because last year you have been in Germany already, isn't it?
Yeah. It was a wonderful experience performing last time in Germany. And I'm very looking forward to the Just Love Festival on the 29th, on the day when I'm going to perform with my brothers.
Nice. Last year was the first time you came to Europe? No.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that was the first time. Yeah.
Nice. And how was the reception of the people here in Germany towards Bhajan Kirtan for you?
I really did not think that I'll get that tremendous response and so much love in Germany, because that was very new to me. The whole thing was very new to me. But I got very good response from the people, and from the embassy people. They were the listeners. They were in the audience, and people from various states, various different places, and they appreciated me a lot. And that was at the time when I met Satya ji and some of his colleagues, and see, you have invited me already.
Nice. By the way, whoever is watching this live stream, you have a whole day to come to the festival with 30% discount. If you, on the website, if you register using the voucher Maithili 108, you get 30% discount for the festival.
Wow.
Because there is a lot of Indians also close to Frankfurt. They say only around Frankfurt there is 40,000 Indians, and everybody wants to see you singing.
Wow, super excited I am.
Tell me something. How did you start your musical journey? Who is your musical guru?
It started from my family. I was very little, and I even do not remember the first time when I sang, the first time I played harmonium. So I grew up in a family where music was very normal. It was like the part of our whole day. So I was 3 or 4 years old when I started to sing. The moment I started to speak, my grandfather, my grandparents, my father, they started to teach me the various folk forms of India, and especially of Bihar. I originate from Bihar, Mithila region, where we sing so many different kind of songs for Bhagwan Ram and Bhagwati Sita, and about Ramayana,
Yeah,
Ramcharitmanas.
Mithila is
Yeah.
historically connected to King Janak and Sita Devi. Is that correct?
Yeah. That's why they named me Maithili.
So it's like a
Yeah.
name of Sita Devi.
Yeah.
And you do
And it also,
you do sing a lot of Ram bhajans. I
yeah,
always hear your Ram bhajans.
yeah. And it also is our language, my home tongue, Maithili language.
Okay. Good from Guruji's and Guruji's family. Bhojpuri is the original family. They are also Bihari.
Okay. Yeah.
Some people write here, Maithili ji, ek baar naam le lijiye mera, please. No. Your fans.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's good we are talking in English because mera Hindi good nahi hai.
Many
Okay,
people
so
want me to speak in Hindi for them. Many of my followers want me to speak in Hindi.
Okay, so tell everyone that most probably you are here next week already singing with everyone. Tell them in Hindi.
हाँ, जितने भी मेरे लोग हैं जो यहाँ लाइव में जुड़े हुए हैं, हम ये जो आप जिनको देख रहे हैं, हम लोग एक साथ परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट वीक जर्मनी में, और उस फेस्टिवल का नाम है जस्ट लव फेस्टिवल, जिसमें कि हम बहुत सारे भजन गाने वाले हैं और सिर्फ डिवोशनल गाने गाने वाले हैं। तो बहुत मजा आने वाला है, क्योंकि मैं पिछले साल भी जर्मनी गई थी, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, और इस साल तो मुझे उससे भी बढ़कर वो एक जो हाइप मन में आता है वो आ रहा है। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम वेरी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट। मैंने बता दिया, आई टोल्ड ऑल।
Yeah, I understood big part of it. I'm studying. Slowly I'm studying. I have to sing in Hindi also, so I have to understand what I sing.
Wow.
So you started doing like sargams and riyas.
Yeah.
When you were like 3 years old from your father.
Initially, I was learning very unprofessionally. It was just I was listening and I was trying to sing, repeat things. It was the initial phase of my learning experience. And when I was 6 years old, 6 or 7 maybe, my father brought me in Delhi. It is metro city, and here people talk in etiquette as compared to our village. So my father brought me here, and I started going to school. I started to learn music in a professional way from my father, Hindustani classical sangeet, Hindustani classical music. So that was a moment when I started studying music.
Okay. So first you started naturally, but I think as a child, that's the best way to learn.
Yeah.
Somebody's asking, where's the address from the festival where Maithili will be here in Germany? Everything going fine. So the address is close to Frankfurt in a village called Springen. That's the German name of the village. It's more or less 50 minutes far from Frankfurt in Germany. It is from the 21st of July until the 30th of July. By the way, Maithili, we also have ashram. This is the international center of Bhakti Marg, but we also have ashram in Vrindavan, and there's another one being built in Pandharpur. And our Gurudev will be initiated by the Akara as a Vishwa Guru, which is the highest title that a Satguru can receive, in November in Vrindavan. Wow. So if you are close to Vrindavan in November, please come to this occasion. Sure. You are really invited to be in this occasion when Gurudev will be initiated in Vrindavan. Wow. You and whole family, of course.
Yeah. Sure.
I have a musician question. When you are recording these videos that we watch thousands of times,
wow,
It looks that you have like only 1 or 2 microphones and you're just singing all together. Is it true? How much equipment you have there?
Okay. So it was during the pandemic time, the corona was widely spreading. That was the time when I started to surf on YouTube that how to record videos in a proper quality. Because before that I was only using
The
my
phone.
phone's microphone and the collar microphone. It was not sounding that great. So I started to Google it that how can we improve our quality. So I just came through very new things, that is sound card is required, microphones are required, condenser microphone, dynamic microphones are very different things. So I started to study them. So I bought a condenser mic from Rode and a Scarlett Focusrite. You say that?
Yeah,
What is that?
Focusrite.
Sound
Yeah,
card.
the
Yeah, and
sound card.
a bunch of wires. I started to connect them. I started to figure out that how does it work, and hope.
So you did
It,
it all by yourself.
yeah, all by
That's
myself. So I'm just
incredible.
using 2 microphones right now. One for group recording and me, and one for my brother's tabla.
Yeah, that's what
That is all.
I was thinking. It looks like you only use 2 microphones and it
Yeah,
sounds so good. Even
yeah,
the harmonium is in that in one
yeah,
condenser mic.
yeah. The condenser capture everything.
Yeah, that's mind blowing. Look, we are here in the studio, music studio from the
Yeah,
ashram also.
I can see. You can see that.
It's there
Beautiful.
where we edit our recordings and work on the little things.
Wow.
What is your favorite type of bhajan kirtan to sing? Like you prefer Abhanga, you prefer Radha Krishna kirtan, you prefer chant Sanskrit prayers. What do you prefer?
The thing which I started to connect with is Ram Sita bhajans, Ram Sita Vivah Sankirtan, we call it in Bihar.
Viva is the wedding.
Yes, Ram Sita wedding Sankirtan, and there are a whole lot of things. Arrival of bride, arrival of groom, and all the customs that we follow in Mithila region. And we also say Gari. We also sing Gari Geet for Dulha, that is Ramji, that is Jijaji for us, for Mithila Vasis. So that is a thing which I connect with a lot. And Abhang is something that I learned recently. So I love to listen all of them. But Ram Sita Vivah Sankirtan is something that I think that I'm especially connected with those songs.
Could you please, for a short minute, sing one of them for us?
Okay. Actually, I'm totally blank. That what should I sing? Right? So one of the song which is widely viewed by my audience on YouTube, that is राम जी से पूछे, राम जी से पूछे जनकपुर के नारी, बता द बबुआ लुगवा देत काहे गारी, बता द बबुआ लुगवा देत काहे गारी, बता द बबुआ। तोहरा से पूछूं मैं ओ धनुषधारी, तोहरा से पूछूं मैं ओ धनुषधारी, एक भाई गोर काहे, एक भाई गोर काहे, एक काहे कारी, बता द बबुआ लुगवा देत काहे गारी, बता द बबुआ लुगवा देत काहे गारी, बता द बबुआ।
Oh, that sounds so good. There's this other one about the wedding. Maithili. Can you know this? I already heard that one in your voice. Can you do some seconds, please?
जोने सुखवा ससुरारी में, जोने सुखवा ससुरारी में, तौने सुखवा कहूँ ना, ए पहुना यही मिथिले में रहू ना, ए पहुना यही मिथिले में रहू ना।
Oh, We love this so much. Gurudev also loves this.
Yeah.
It's a very strong bhava.
Uh-huh.
Also, the other days I was listening from you. You singing the Guru Granth Sahib scriptures, the Guru Nanak songs.
Yes.
Really, really beautiful.
Yes.
And your brother, what is the favorite type of bhajan that your brother likes to sing?
My brothers.
Yeah.
They are a very different kind of human beings.
Really?
And
Why?
suddenly one day they start to listen to all Marathi songs.
Mm.
They are totally Maharashtrian on a particular day. Another day they start to sing Dwarika no Nath Maru. They become typical Gujarati.
Gujarat.
So it is
Jai
in
Shri.
India. We are really blessed to be Indian because we have so many languages that we can continue to sing in, and so many culture. And so my brothers, they tend to shift from one language to another. Say they love everything.
That's really, really nice. So just repeating for people who didn't hear in the beginning, if you register now for the festival in Germany, so we are expecting Maithili ji and the whole family to get the visa.
Yeah.
You can come at any day, the answer, and then Maithili ji will come here next week. And on the main Saturday, 29th of July, July 29th, on the main stage, at least, because we will push her to sing a lot for sure. The whole family will be singing here. And if you register for the Just Love Festival right now on the website, using the code maithili108, everybody gets 30% discount. So do it quickly because you have only one day for this discount.
Yes.
How was it for you to arrive in Europe? Like how was the cultural difference for you? I mean, apart from bhajan and music, did you enjoy coming in Germany and Europe? It was very shocking. It was normal. How was it for you?
I was not hoping for the full house thing which happened last year. People were everywhere in the auditorium. They were on upstairs. Those chairs were filled, and I cannot express what I felt that time when I was performing, because there were people dancing on the backside of the auditorium. And after I performed, I went upstairs to greet some of my audiences, and those popular fans. They already have been commenting on my Facebook lives for a long time. So I just went upstairs to meet them, and there were a lot of people, and they were lining, they were queued, and they were just waiting for me to arrive there and take selfies and talk to me. So I was very humbled, and I felt that yes, I can do that. I can do that. So it was for the first time that I performed for so many people abroad.
So as I am not born Indian, I was born in Brazil, but since I'm very young, I live Sanatana Dharma, and I'm also initiated as a monk in a Vaishnava ashram. So I understand a little bit the feeling, and it's very beautiful to see how you represent this new generation of Indians, of people from Bharat that are so proud of their culture. And I believe every Indian they are so happy to have you because you're an amazing singer, and you also represent this new generation which is proud of their culture. It's not ashamed to be Indian, not ashamed to sing in Hindi, to sing in any language, not ashamed to say the name of the Lord. And the world was really needing it. I think that's what is so magical about what you and your whole family do.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So I like to connect with people from every part of India. There would be Gujarat, Maharashtra, Himachal, Punjab. So I try to sing in different language and different kind of songs so that I can just connect with them through my music and through our cultural songs, the traditional songs we cannot change. So that is the thing which I also did last time when I was in Germany. I sang Sufi also, bhajans also, ghazals, and the folk songs of different regions. So
Can you
I
sing a
love.
little bit for Cavalli that you like?
Okay. Mm. La, 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 la. So, la, la, mm. There's so many songs. There were so many qawwalis which I performed. So give me some time so that I can come up with the lyrics.
I mean, it can be Chap Tilak, it can be Afarin.
Chap Tilak.
Afarin, Afarin. Yeah, Chap Tilak, everybody.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. छाप तिलक सब चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के 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 बात गजब कह दी नीरे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाई के.
Wow. Somebody asked something interesting that I didn't know about your story. They asked, why did you choose to stop singing Bollywood songs and sing only bhajan, only religious songs? Is it true? Did you choose to stop singing Bollywood?
Yeah. Actually, 2 to 3 years back, I completely stopped singing Bollywood songs. I used to make cover songs on YouTube with my brothers, and they were so people were appreciating that. People liked that a lot, but due to some reasons, I stopped that, and I announced that I will not be covering any Bollywood songs for YouTube from today onwards. And it was really a big thing for people. I didn't imagine that people would be reacting this way on that video, but it was really a big thing for all my followers and all the audience, which were just hoping for the next video. So it is because I connect with my own thing a lot. The folk songs which I sing, the devotional things that I sing, I connect with them a lot. So I don't want to sing anything that is very opposite to that, and that is the reason.
It's a very beautiful choice. I'm quite sure that Prabhuji Vaikuntha is very happy with this. By the way, who is your Ishtadev? When you pray, to whom you pray?
Bhagwan Ram and Sita Maharani.
Nice. I pray to Lakshmi Narayan.
Because for our family, Sita ji and Ram ji, they're just our own. We see them as, because they are married in Mithila, the place where we originate from. So we really connect with everything that we have heard about from our grandparents. So we connect with that a lot because we have been listening to those folklores and those songs when I was a very young child. So
you also appreciate the songs from Goswami Tulsidas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
God, they have very beautiful compositions in Bhojpuri and Parvati. Do you have any question about the festival, about anything here? Have you seen any picture about the stage?
I have Googled a lot about the Jasla festival and the videos, YouTube videos I've been watching on Bhakti Marg YouTube channel, and I have been loving them. And I just am looking forward to when I reach there, I'll be recording something with you all and your band. So
when
I'm
you are
here,
for sure we're gonna record.
Yeah. I just want that thing to happen for sure, so that we can jam together and see what we can do.
For us, it's a big honor. We've been watching your videos for so long time, and Guruji will be very happy. Guruji loves Kirtan so much. It's so nice to see.
Thank you. And of course, this will be very awaited thing for me, and we'll be very lucky to sing in presence of Gurudev. So very, very happy about that.
Yeah, Guruji, Swami Vishwanand, when he was very small, he was also singing bhajan, and he would run away from home to visit bhajans in the island of Mauritius.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very lot of sweet stories. Lots of sweet stories. So the festival is starting on Friday, and we have already around 300 sevakas only to do seva.
Oh wow!
Just
wow!
to make the festival work. And then we're expecting by far more than 1,000 people a day, but altogether many thousand people will be around here walking in and out. And yeah, so everybody who comes here, there is some rooms. I don't know if you still have a free room, normal guests in the ashram by now, because we can have more or less 400 to 500 people in the house. But there's camping place, and there's a lot of houses and hotels close by. There is space to everyone who wants to come. So please share this word, share this message, and we are all eagerly waiting to receive this message from Maithili that the embassy already answered back and that the visa is there. We can finally push them inside the airplane.
Yeah. I have already started packing.
Nice. Nice.
And let's see, visa should come very soon.
Okay, I don't want to take much more time from you. Are you, by the way, are you playing these days or are you free these days? Because normally I know you do concerts 3 to 4 times a week.
What? I didn't get it.
Are you having concerts these days? Yesterday,
yeah.
Today?
They are really not that packed. We have not that packed schedule as it used to be. So we are just focusing on our recording sessions right
Good.
now and editing, recording, just doing these things.
Somebody's asking, Jatil is asking, for those who cannot be here in the festival, is there a live stream? Yes. So we have a YouTube channel only for the festival, which we are reactivating now. It's called Just Love Festival. And every concert on the main stage, which we call Vaikunta stage, where Maithili will also sing on Saturday 29th, every concert there will be live streamed for the whole world. So everybody, please, for sure, on the main Bhakti Marga channel, we're going to post the link there, but the live stream will be in the Just Love Festival YouTube channel. Okay, and if you register now to come physically to the festival, use the voucher maithili108 and get 30% discount. Please share something for everyone that's here to listen to you before we end this live. I mean, I would ask you, please just share some words that you feel in your heart and sing something short again, please.
Sure. I have prepared a lot of songs, songs in different languages so that I can perform there on the Vaikunth stage. Did you say that? Vaikunth stage. Yeah. Beautiful name. So
we have two stages. We have the Ananda stage and the Vaikunth stage.
Oh, nice. Wow. So जितने भी लोग इंडिया से देख रहे हैं, especially they are commenting, please speak in Hindi. So
speak a little bit in Hindi for them.
तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है कि जर्मनी जब दूसरी बार जाने का मौका मिल रहा है, तो वहाँ भी इतने सुंदर से कार्यक्रम के लिए जाने का मौका मिल रहा है. जैसे कि हम अभी भक्ति मार्ग के साथ साथ जो पूरी टीम के लोगों से मैंने जितनी भी बार बात की है, तो जिस तरह से सनातन को लेकर के प्रचार कर रहे हैं और भजन को लेकर के इतने डिवोटेड हैं, वो भी इंडिया से बहुत दूर यूरोप में जाकर के लोग, तो काफ़ी खुशी होती है. और उनके साथ ये कोलैबोरेट करके हमारे पूरे परिवार को भी बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं इतने बड़े कार्यक्रम का हिस्सा बनने जा रही हूँ और गुरुदेव के सानिध्य में ये कार्यक्रम होगा. उनके सानिध्य में मैं अपने गीत प्रस्तुत करूँगी, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और थैंक यू सो मच टू यू and your team to consider us for this event, and we'll sure enjoy a lot.
Everybody wanted to be here, no? Satya, so Madheshji, also Manish, but the Instagram is too short. If you put a lot of people here, we cannot see anyone.
Yeah.
Too small there.
Yeah. So I was very afraid that I will not be speaking English that fluently, because I have not the habit of speaking English for so long. So I just managed
आपका हिंदी
somehow.
बहुत अच्छा है, मेरा हिंदी खत्ते है.
हिंदी तो बहुत अच्छा है मेरा, बट इंग्लिश में कभी हम भारत में रहते हुए अब वो प्रचलन रहा नहीं कि अब हर जगह इंग्लिश में ही बतियाएं, तो काफी कंफर्टेबल वी फील इन स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी. सो आई समहाउ मैनेज्ड these I think 30 minutes speaking in English. I made it. So
Very good.
so what
I mean,
should I?
your English is really good. Don't need to worry about anything. Okay, so our last wish is that you sing anything that you want.
Okay. um huh.
Take your time. I'm not in a hurry. Nobody's in a hurry.
झुकी जइयो तनिक रघुवीर, लली मोरी छोटी सी झुकी जइयो तनिक रघुवीर, लली मोरी छोटी सी. तुम तो राम जी अयोध्या के राजा, तुम तो हो राम जी अयोध्या के राजा, हम हैं जनक के गरीब, लली मोरी छोटी सी झुकी जइयो तनिक रघुवीर, लली मोरी छोटी सी.
I know a Krishna bhajan with the same tune. Very nice. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So everybody, please join the Just Love Festival. Come here physically if you can. Let's have this place packed so we can have 10 days of kirtan and bhajan. And I heard that maybe we can even celebrate the birthday of Maithili together here. But I don't want to speak to everyone here what day is her birthday because it's a private thing. We have thousands of people in the life. But if you come, you might have a birthday cake.
Yeah, yes. So I'm celebrating my birthday on 25th of July, hopefully in Germany.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you all in the Just Love Festival, 21st until the 30th of July. And if you register now, maithili 108 as a code, as a voucher, you get 30% discount. Thank you so much for your time. Please, pranams to Mata, Pita, and the two brothers, and everybody else with you there.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.